See you later, Dominator.
This thing has to have a tractor beam, right?
Yep.
It's slowing down, but like barely.
Thank you, Cisco. I haven't noticed. Strap in. Firestorm, if you're done playing with your friends out there, we could really use your help.
I'm on it.
Good work planting Professor Stein's nano weapons, but we still got Dominators all over the country. This looks like a job for Supergirl.
Thanks, Felicity. I'm not the least bit insulted.
Sorry, I meant Supergirl and Flash. This is totally a job for the both of you. That's what I meant, Supergirl and Flash.
Firestorm, we're holding it up.
But like barely.
Not helping, Cisco. Firestorm, do it now.
Do what?
I believe Miss Lance intends for us to transmute the metabomb into something harmless.
I was afraid you were going to say that.
All right, devices are being planted. Let me know and I can bring the pain.
Come on, Firestorm.
Great! I can't do it, man. It's too big.
Still waiting on that signal.
Do it!
Done.
It's working. What about the superhero bomb? Can't do it!
You must, Jefferson. I have a daughter. Her name is Lily, and she's counting on you. She's counting on both of us.
They did it! They can do that?
They did that. Ground, what's your status?
They're retreating.
It's not just them. It's all around the world.
He did it.
No, Oliver.
We all did it.